Guys excited?
Yeah.
Where are we headed?
Go to the water.
Going in the water?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do in the water?
Play with our new toys.
Which are, what are they, Haley? What's our new toys? Jet skis. Are you guys excited?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Stop.
Wait, Haley, say hi. Did you guys like the ride?
Yes.
Yes. Found a nice little beach.
I
Has some
can't
light-
find a shell.
What?
I can't find a shell.
Find a shell? That airplane, bud.
I can't find a shell. This one's for you. Wash it off. Look, Lily. Logan has one. Logan has one. I spotted that one and Logan has one. Here, Haley. Oh, Logan has one. They're finding really cool big shells and then washing
huge.
them off. And
What do
they're
you think
so
lives in those kind of shells?
big crabs or snails? I don't know. Logan! Hey, Logan's down! Logan's down!
I was thinking of snails too.
Look!
What do y'all think? Snail or crab? What lives in the shell? Snail.
Mama, look! Logan's down! Oh, look
What do you have, Logan?
at this.
What do you hear in there?
Here's something.
What do you hear?
Nothing.
You hear something?
Yeah.
Let me hear. Oh, it's like the ocean.
Whoa, this one has a hornet.
All right, so we put in at 46 at Jolly Gators and launched the skis for the first time. Rode through river, came up through Harney, and then found North River, came down and around. We're probably a couple turns from Mullet Lake Park, so we stopped, rest, had lunch, made some sandwiches and stuff, and I think we're gonna venture on up to at least to Mullet Lake Park and see what's up there. That's a good stopping point because then the next time we come up, we'll probably launch at Mullet Lake and then go north. So adventure all the way up. Y'all having fun? Trying to pull it? All right, let's get them fired up. We'll head north a little bit. All right, guys, so we made it to Mullet Lake Park. You can see there's a boat ramp behind us. Pretty packed Saturday. Everyone's supposed to be quarantining, but they're quarantining in their boats just like us. This ride has been awesome, absolutely awesome. So much fun. It's nice and windy and good place to get out of the wind. Even though it's blowing 10-15 mile an hour, you don't even know that it's blowing. River stays nice and calm. It's definitely a must-do. What do you think, buddy? You like it?
Have you been down and open?
We went ahead and passed Mullet Lake Park, and our fuel's looking pretty good. So we went ahead and went up to Lake Jessup. We're gonna check out Lake Jessup. It's been a couple years since I've been up here, but here's the bridge, the 46 bridge right here, Lake Jessup. Gator go chomp chomp. Oh, he's scared. He don't want none. Stay still, Logan. See that gator, buddy? Oh, right there. Gator go chomp chomp. Oh, the gator go chomp chomp. Moo cow. Oh, look at him running. He's scared. Logan, what does a cow say? Huh? You don't know? You don't know what a cow says? I think it says moo. What does he say? You're gonna be shy?
Those little white ones are pretty.
So scared. Little bitty gator. So we found like an old wooden boat, the skeleton of a wooden boat, and it's got a really big engine in there. I don't know if you can tell how big it is or not, but it's a huge engine just sitting on the bank.
That's almost bigger than the jet ski.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Mom, they take a very...
Oh, this snail's alive. So we were right. It's snails that live in these big
Snails.
Look.
Could be crabs too. Mama, I was not white. I was there.
Careful, Logan.
Go, Lily.
Okay, there could be snakes.
Made it to the top. The tippy top.
Logan.
Daddy said I could go up here. So high. Up where? Well, guys, look at this one. I might have to fall in the water though. I wonder if I could get a wet. Guys, look at this one. I don't think I can. Lily, look at this one. Yeah, no.
You gotta get the real gooey stuff.
That's what I'm looking. I've been adding dry sand to
Get
mine.
Daddy, Logan. Get him.
Should I take him?
Get Dad. Get him, Logan. Get him.
I thought really.
Oh!
We are back in Deep Creek. This is one of my favorite places. It's absolutely gorgeous when you get back up in here. So it's a little slower ride, but lets you really enjoy the beautiful scenery. You having fun, bud? How about you, Haley? You having fun?
Yeah.
Deep Creek.
I just saw alligators.
Yep, there's alligators and turtles and all kinds of birds and dragonflies and fish, yes.
And monkeys.
No, I haven't seen a monkey. We'll see.
We see.
Alright guys, we're back at 46 boot ramp, Jolly Gators. Got the skis on the trailers. Everybody have fun?
Yes.
You had fun? Was it fun, Logan?
Yeah. We saw
You had fun, buddy?
We saw a lot of alligators.
Did you have fun too?
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw a lot of alligators. Probably how many?
20.
Probably 20? I would say at least 20, yeah, for sure. That was fun. We went from, like I said, 46 Bridge, Jolly Gators boat ramp to through Harney, up the river, went up to Mullet Lake Park boat ramp, and made it to Jesup and probably halfway to Monroe. We're gonna save Monroe for another day though. But that was an awesome run. Must do. Good time, huh? You have fun, Mom?
Yes, that's awesome. Beautiful day.
Awesome. Woo! Until next time.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to follow us on all of our adventures.